What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play Things You Do by Justin Bieber. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be in the description and pinned comment down below so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's a little preview of what the song is going to sound like. Really quick, I'd just like to thank everyone who's donated to the channel so far. If you'd like to donate to keep these tutorials going, I have my Cash App and my Venmo up on the screen right now. Once again, I appreciate it. And now back to the video. So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 3rd fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song. Those 4 chords are A major 7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, and G sharp minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string. It's going to sound like this. Second chord is E major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is C sharp minor 7, so we're barring the 4th fret and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Last chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're still going to bar the 4th fret and we're putting our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, so the chord progression is exactly in that order. Now if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So really simple. Each chord gets a 4 count. Now as far as the strumming pattern, as you can hear in the song, they're plucking the strings individually. And so I have a little bit of a different version that I like to do that's a little bit more simple, but it still matches the vibe of the song. So what I do is this. So A major 7, we're just going to pluck the A, D, and G string. So A, D, G, A, D, G. So we're going to do that twice. A, D, G, A, D, G. And then when we go to the E major 7, we're going to pluck A, D, A, D, D. Okay, again, A major 7 is A, D, G, A, D, G. The E major 7, we're doing A, D, A, D, D. Okay, now for the C sharp minor 7, I'm also plucking A, D, G, A, D, G. So I'm doing that twice. Again, A, D, G, A, D, G. And then for the G sharp minor 7, we're going to pluck the low E and the A string. So it's going to go like this. E, A, E, A, A. Again, E, A, E, A, A. So C sharp minor 7 is A, D, G, A, D, G, G sharp minor 7, E, A, E, A, A. So all together, it's going to sound like this. But like I always say, if you have another strumming or plucking pattern that you want to use, by all means, you are the creator, so go ahead and do so. But that's how you play the song. Alright y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this video. I hope that this tutorial helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below and I'll do my best to answer each one. If you feel like this really helps you out, go ahead and share it with someone that might want to learn this song. And while I have your attention, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have TikTok and Instagram. I'll go ahead and put those in the description and pin comment down below. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and follow me there. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. I think you'll like that one as well, so go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you guys on the next video.